Hey, what's up, buddy? This is Krishna Vasist, and you are listening to me on your favorite YouTube channel, which is called Tats Guru. So, we are going to discuss the same topic that we did in last video session. Okay, so we're gonna discuss past indefinite tense with some useful examples. This will be the part second. We are doing past indefinite tense. It means we have already covered present indefinite tense, continuous, perfect continuous, and perfect tense. Okay, in case if you have not watched, if you didn't watch my previous video session, so please go back, find them on Tats Guru channel, and please watch those video sessions. Are really gonna help you in the journey of your spoken English. You can feel my English actually I'm improving day by day. So please keep watch this video till the end. Okay, and you will get benefit, you will get confidence. Confidence is the key to speak. Okay, so now friends, let's get started. So let me revise something what we did in last video session that we have discussed. We have discussed the basic rule of past indefinite tense, and what was that? Actually, that was very simple. All we will have to take care of the subject plus verb second form plus object. Okay, so this is the rule. And in case of the negative sentences, the rule becomes like this: did not plus object, verb first form plus object. Okay, and in case of the negative sentences, or you can say interrogative sentences, you will have to attach did at very first place. It becomes did plus subject plus verb first form then object. Okay, so the rule like this: subject, verb second form, then object. Okay, and you must be wondering about the second form of the verb, so you will have to watch the previous video session. Find that video session on Tats Guru channel. That was very first video session in terms of past indefinite tense. So friends, let's get started. Actually, let's revise some useful examples, and those examples are really useful for you. So the first example that I'm gonna write: they played cricket. They played cricket. Or if you are playing football, you can say they played football. So they played cricket means उन्होंने cricket खेला. They played cricket. Okay, they played cricket. Or you can say in the field. If you wanna attach object, you can do that. They played cricket in the field. In the field. In the field. In the field. Or you can say yesterday, because we are discussing the past action here. You cannot write tomorrow, you cannot speak tomorrow, you'll have to speak yesterday. Or past action, something past action is very important here, because the cricket has been played already. Okay, the action happened in the past already, it has finished, it has completed. They played cricket in the field yesterday. They played cricket in the field yesterday. Okay, you can see the example on the screen, and you gotta speak again and again. They played cricket. They played cricket in the field yesterday. They played cricket in the field yesterday. Okay, so what about this? Is it really useful? Because I think that is really useful for you, and at the same time that is very easy for you. Okay, they played cricket in the field yesterday. Apply your mind, friends. Just analyze the example, because if you do analyze something, That is very very important, okay, because you become familiar regarding particular sentence, regarding particular tense. Just apply your brain, or just try to speak again and again. They played cricket in the field. I played cricket in the field yesterday. You played cricket in the field yesterday. Okay, very easy. Let's get to another example. The poet wrote a romantic song. The poet wrote a romantic song. Okay, wrote is a second form of the verb write. You know that. The poet wrote a romantic song. The poet wrote a romantic song. The poet wrote a romantic song. Okay, the poet wrote a romantic song. Now let's try to make the negative sentences of the same sentence, so what I will have to do, just give me a moment, hold on please. I will have to also take care about my logo, Tats Guru. The name of this channel is Tats Guru. You can see on the left bottom. The poet wrote a romantic song. So when it comes to make the negative sentences, you will have to use a did not plus verb first form. Okay, so let me write the poet did not write. Remember, we will have to use a write, not wrote this time. The poet did not write a romantic song. Very easy. The poet did not write a romantic song. Okay, and as always we have actually the short form of the auxiliary verb, and what it is in this case, the did not becomes a didn't, or you can say didn't, or you can say didn't. Okay, so it is a did not actually, but many a times that we tend to say like didn't, or you must have heard, or you must have not heard about this. Okay, but it is the short form. So I can write did not becomes didn't, or you can say didn't, and didn't, it is a didn't, or you can say didn't. The poet didn't write a romantic song. The poet didn't write a romantic song. That is very easy, friends. And also you can make the interrogative sentences, because those sentences are really useful. Did you get it, my point actually? Okay, so I hope you are getting what I'm trying to teach you. Very simple concept, or you can make your sentence. You can use this tense, because this is very useful. I helped him. I helped him to do the task. I helped him to do the task. Help is the second form of the help. Helped. I helped him to do the task. I helped him to do the task. मैंने उसकी मदद करी उस कार्य को पूरा करने के लिए. Okay, so many times you must have faced this situation when you talk someone, okay, when where you work, and you many times that you speak in this way. I helped him to do the task. I helped him to do the task. I helped him to do the task. Okay, I helped him to do the task. And what about the negative sentence? Let me change the now let me take the green color this time. I helped him to do the task. So when it comes to the negative sentence, how can you make your negative sentence? That is pretty easy. You can try even. I did not. I did not, or you can say didn't. I didn't help. Remember the first form you will have to use this time. I didn't help him to do the task. By the way, do not go on the negative sentence, the conclusion of the negative sentence, because everyone actually should help someone. Okay, should help someone out if they are stuck somewhere, if they are working on some projects. Okay, if they are confused, they are stuck in a problem, definitely if we know the solution, definitely we should go and tell them the solution. Okay, we should help everyone. Okay, so don't go on the negative sentence. I didn't help him to do the task. Okay, and what about the negative sentence, friends? Can you please make the negative sentence, because this is also very easy. And what about the negative sentence? You always connect, you always write the auxiliary verb, whether it is do, does, did, have, is, am, are. You will have to write the in front of the sentence, so what it could be actually did, because we are writing the first word, so the first word always in the English, which is capital. Did I help? And remember, in case of interrogative sentences, always we use the verb first form. Did I help him to do the task? Very easy. And the question mark, because this is the question. Did I help him to do the task? 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 Very easy. And if you are getting what I'm teaching actually, so please comment me, and definitely I'll give the reply to you. Next sentence that we're gonna take, I enjoyed the program. I enjoyed the teaching, or you can say I enjoyed the program thoroughly. I enjoyed the program thoroughly. मैंने प्रोग्राम को अच्छे से enjoy किया. अच्छे से, thoroughly means अच्छा. I enjoyed the program thoroughly. This is not throughoutly, thoroughly. I enjoyed the program thoroughly. Many people use this word actually. I enjoyed the program thoroughly. Thoroughly means completely. अच्छे तरह से, completely. Okay, so I enjoyed the program thoroughly, and I didn't enjoy the program thoroughly. Did I enjoy the program thoroughly? Okay, very good. So let's take, friends, another example. मैंने कहा, I said. I said. मैंने कहा, I said. Said is the second form of the main verb say. Say, said, said. मैंने कहा, I said. I said. I said. You cannot say I say, because this is the first form of the verb. But in case of past indefinite, always we gotta use the verb second form. And the verb forms are very important when it comes to the past indefinite tense, because they give you the strength. Okay, if you are using still verb first form, so you are doing blunder mistake. You should stop this right away, right now. Okay, so please, if you face any problem by explaining your story in the past, so it means I have observed 90% people makes mistake here. Okay, they always use verb first form, sometimes they use verb third form, and they make blunder mistake, they make mistakes. Okay, so they do not know that always we use the verb second form. And if they know, so they don't know what is the verb second form of the particular main verb. So first of all, just try to revise, try to keep fit those verbs in your mind which are very basic. Okay, so please try to revise them. First of all, this is the very first condition. If you know the domestic words, if you know the simple vocabs, basic vocabs, fundamental, definitely the many people they should know about it. But if you don't know, so you're gonna face the trouble. Okay, and this will be your afflictions, actually, I want to say. But just revise the main verb first form, second form, third form. And as I said, if you have watched my previous lessons, so definitely in sooner we are going to revise a main verb, and I'm gonna make a video on that verb first form, second form, third form, and upload on my YouTube channel. So in near future you will see the video. You don't worry about that. But if you are an adult person, okay, if you are 20 years old, more than 20 years, definitely you have to know about the main verbs first. This is the verbs first form, second form, third form. If right is there, right means likhna. If right is there, what are the second form and third form? Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. And in case if you don't know about wrote, so how can make your sentence on the basis of past indefinite tense? That will become very difficult for you. Okay, and you will face the problem and trouble. उसने सोचा, and what we call सोचना, think, thought. This is the second form of the main verb think, which is thought. So उसने सोचा, उसने means any girl here. So she thought. Very easy. She thought. Okay, she looked at me. She looked at me. She looked at me. She looked at me. She didn't look at me. Very simple. There should not be any confusion here. Very simple sentence that I have been making so far. I didn't say. 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 Or you can say I did not say. I did not say. Okay. I didn't say. Did, oh my god, did I say? Did I say? Did I say? Did you say? Did you say? Did you say? Did they say? Did he say? Did she say? Very easy. Okay, what do you think about past indefinite tense? Is it very difficult for you so far, or it is very easy? I think this is very easy. It's totally up to you how much you have practiced. Actually, you practice a particular tense and you become master, you become expert actually. Okay, and you will feel very easy, simple. I'm talking about past indefinite tense. Just apply your brain, analyze something, observation should be on the top actually, and just try to work hard and speak many times, because speaking is the key here. Because you cannot, if you are beginner, okay, you cannot speak in front of the stranger because you hesitate. Okay, so I told you the step here. What you will have to do, just go to the quiet room actually, where no one should be there, and just try to speak yourself. Or you can say, just turn your camera on, just try to record your video. Later on you can see your video, you can watch your video and try to actually errors that you have been committing, okay, and remove those errors. If you do that, definitely you're gonna be rock. Absolutely, trust me, nobody can stop you, because you are passionate to speak English, to learn English. Okay, this is not a rocket science that you cannot learn, I must tell you. Okay, remember, just save my words for future. I'm here on this channel. I guarantee you, if you work in this way, definitely nobody can stop you. Okay, so let's take another example. I reached home at midnight. Okay, I reached home at midnight. So how can I make? मैं आधी रात को घर पहुंचा. I reached home. Many people actually make a mistake here. They always do like I reached at home. I reached at home at midnight. So it becomes longer here. Even you can remove this at. Okay, I reached home. I reached home at midnight. I reached home at midnight. I reached home at midnight. Simple. So far so good. I didn't reach home at midnight. I did not reach home at midnight. I didn't reach home at midnight. Okay, so far we have been doing actually this activity, the sentence making. I'm talking about the sentence making. You will have to also make your sentence, 20 sentence, 30 sentence. You become expert for that. Okay, I didn't reach home at midnight, because before speaking you should have the ideas of rules, the ideas of words. Okay, the arrangement of words actually. Where should you use your subject, auxiliary verb, main verb, objects, and actually what are the rules of particular tense. That is very important. And if you know right away at first step, definitely you will work hard, and that is your job actually. Okay, and you are really liking it. I didn't reach home at midnight. Did I reach home at midnight? Did I reach home at midnight? Did I reach home at midnight? मैं आधी रात को घर नहीं पहुंचा. क्या मैं आधी रात को घर पहुंचा? Did I reach home at midnight? Did I reach home at midnight? Just try to change the subjects here, because we have more subjects like they, we, she, it. Okay, so try to make your sentence by attaching the other subjects here, because that would also be very important, very, very important, trust me. Okay, she sang a song. You can say like, she sang a song. Song, sing. Sing is the second form of the verb of sing. She didn't sing a song. उसने गाना नहीं गाया. उसने गाना नहीं गाया. Electricity went out. Electricity went out. Went out. Electricity went out. Electricity did not go out. Electricity did not go out. Remember, went is the second form of the main verb go. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. The thief ran away. The thief, or you can say the boy ran away. And many of you, I think you must be wondering about what is the difference between present perfect continuous tense and past indefinite tense. If you remember present perfect continuous tense, also we have discussed there the past action that have been completed actually. And in case of past indefinite tense, almost like the same. Here also we are discussing the past action actually that have completed in past. Okay, but the main difference that if I tell you, in case of present perfect continuous tense, always we use those action in past, always we talk about those action in past. They have been taking place actually for long time. Okay, long time. Do you remember that we have discussed the for concept and since concept here? For 2 days, since 2002, for 5 days. The action, they have been taking place actually for 5 days. It's too many time actually. 10 days since 1995. But in case of past indefinite tense, always we talk about the recent actions. The recent actions. What are the recent actions? That I said, she thought, she looked at me. She looked at me. उसने मुझे देखा. She looked at me. And that was recent, that was recent. She must have looked at him 5 minutes before, or 10 minutes before, 1 minute before. So she said, she looked at me. Or you can say, he said, she looked at me. Okay, that was not there for 2 days, 5 days. Actually, the action that are taking place here for recent, the sudden action. Okay, I didn't write. Okay, so I cannot say I have not written. I cannot say, because in case of present perfect tense or present perfect continuous tense, always we talk about the past action, but those actions are taking place for a long time, for very long time, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days back. But in case of past indefinite tense, always we talk about the past action that has been actually taking place for, the recent one, the sudden action. Okay, just 5 minutes before, just 1 hour before. Actually, you can say, you'll have to use a did for that. You will have to use past indefinite tense for that. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say actually. Okay, and if you get it, definitely let me know in the comment box. If you have any confusion, you can tell me. Definitely I will try to remove your confusion. The boy ran away. The boy ran away. The boy ran away. The boy did not run away. Did the boy run away? Did the boy run? Did the boy run away? Did the boy run away? Okay, or you can say, I didn't get you. I didn't get you. I didn't get you. I didn't get you. Okay, suppose if you wanna explain your day, what you have done so far. Okay, so if you gonna say something like your recent actions, if you gonna explain, so you should use past indefinite tense, not present perfect tense for that. Okay, I didn't get you. You can say, I didn't get you. Okay, did I get you? 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 Did he talk to 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 you? No. No. He didn't. No, he didn't. Did he talk to you? No, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Many times that I say, did you get it? If you must have observed, you may have observed actually, did you get it? Did you get it? That is also based upon past indefinite tense, the interrogative tense. Did you get it? Did you get it? If you use more, definitely you're gonna habitual for that, and it becomes phrase for you. You're gonna use it again and again. Okay, definitely it works. Okay, if you don't know the many words in English, how to express yourself, just try to speak consistently, and some sentence you gonna remember forever, and you gonna use those sentences over and over again. Did you get it? Did you get it? Didn't you get it? Didn't you get it? तुम्हें समझ में आया नहीं क्या? Or you can say, didn't you get it? Didn't you get it? Didn't you get it? तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आया क्या? Didn't you get it? Okay, do you remember when we working on the base of like present indefinite tense? Don't you know that? Don't you know that? No, always we say like this, don't you know that? Don't you remember? Don't you remember? तुम्हें नहीं पता क्या? तुम्हें याद नहीं? Don't you remember? Okay? Don't you do that? So you can say even in past indefinite tense, didn't you get it? Didn't you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Okay? So that's it, friend. That's it for today. We have discussed past indefinite tense so far in this video session. I think it's been for a long time here. Let me see. Yeah, it's been 35 minutes, that we have been discussing in this video session. And remember, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. The name of this YouTube channel is Stats Guru, because this is the only platform on YouTube where you get two contents together. One is for spoken English, second is for CDP. CDP means child development and pedagogy. In case if you are preparing for government exam, then you will need CDP. CDP means child development and pedagogy, and almost 99.9% content that we have uploaded on my channel, Stats Guru. And these are some English video, spoken English. What do you think about this YouTube channel? Is it worthy or not? Okay, by watching my videos. Thank you guys, see you soon, and I will come up with new topic, with new video next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.